Good afternoon, everybody. My name is John Stovall with MarineMax Lake Lanier, and I'm on one of the most exciting pontoon boats I've ever driven. This is the Sylvan M-5. Now, this M5 is Sylvan's flagship model. This is where you get the most horsepower, the dual helm with the windshield, the nice seating, the painted pontoons, everything. I mean, this boat has got it all. A couple highlight features I like to point out is the stitching on the seats. Andrew, if you'll come forward. Stitching on the seats here, all diamond stitch, fold down armrest, and super high back, thick cushions, one of the thickest cushions in the pontoon industry. Recessed cup holders, recessed speakers as well. And also vinyl wrapped seat bases here to match the upholstery up top. In-floor storage, of course. And the cool thing about this boat being a dual helm with a full windshield, similar to a sport boat these days, is you completely close it off, deflect a lot of wind, but you also get storage on both sides. Huge helm seats, some of the most comfortable helm seats I've ever sat in, and one of the best bolsters in the industry. So if you sit on this, you have plenty of visibility, and it's super comfortable. You don't feel like you're sitting on just a giant square. Simrad ultra wide display. All your gauges, all your switches, everything runs through here. All your lighting, but you also have your switches out here to the sides as well. Beautiful steering wheel, JL audio stereo. Now, super important on the M series, this is carbon fiber. This isn't painted to look like carbon fiber. It is real carbon fiber, as well as the sides of the boats, which you'll see in the pictures as well. Going down, you got the galley console, which I love. You got six or 7 gallons of fresh water, enough to wash your hands, hose things off, but also plenty of storage, and it's a lot of usable space for a boat that typically does not have a lot of space on pontoons. This is the single wide, the single swingback layout, so very easy to use back and forth. A little bit of extension there, and the dual helm seats. Going to the back, huge ski tow bar, stainless steel rails. This makes it legal to sit back here while underway. Lily pad ladder, and then a nice finished off splash well. So I appreciate you coming on board with us on the 2025 Sylvan M5. Really excited about this boat. Highly encourage you to come check it out, but you can always see it at www.marinemax.com. Thank you.